Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explore logo best practices when building a brand. Before you begin to customize your tenant's branding, we recommend you have the following components ready: your company logo with the GIF, JPEG, JPG or PNG file type, and your company favicon with the ICO file type. This should be 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels, using 8 or 24-bit colours. It's important to use well-designed and formatted assets on the Applaud platform. Here is an example of a well-designed logo. The image is no wider or higher than it was originally intended to be, therefore the image looks clear. Changing the aspect ratio of a logo could result in the image appearing distorted, like this. And scaling the image to be larger than its original could result in the image appearing pixelated. Where possible, use a logo that's width is greater than its length, as this needs to fit in the global header bar as shown. Ensure the logo file is small and doesn't contain any spaces in its name. White logos work best, and it should be ideally sized, meaning there should be no padding around the logo itself. 32 pixels high works well for most logos. However, if you have a more complex logo, we recommend using a simplified version where possible. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.